Hey, Phil here. I got a really cool find from Tim at Arizona Video Electronics. Just brought my camcorders in to be cleaned, and he has an old school. Look at this. This thing. Look, it's even got cushion padding. This is an old Betamax top loader. Look at that. Oh yeah. I mean, look, you got like, it's like, what is this?
Padded.
It's padded. It's got like cushy on the side. So you got Beta.
That was probably about 79, 1980. I'll bet that was at least
Oh, this thing weighs a ton.
$2,500 or so.
Oh my
Yeah.
God, the weight of
At
that.
least.
Yeah, my dad and grandparents had one of these. Oh my God. So what did you fix on it?
Replaced all the belts, a bunch of rubber parts in it, and cleaned the heads, and it actually works. The clock, there's the digital clock there. Everything works.
No way.
Yeah.
And then you got the old tuner on the top.
Yep,
Oh,
the
that's
old
all.
tuner. Yeah, you
Hold on, wait. You got the part.
Oh,
You
yeah.
got the.
you flip
Look
the
at
old style
that.
tuner.
Oh my
Tuned
God.
in all the stations.
All the
one at a time.
TV stations, you hit
Yeah.
it. I remember all this. No way. Look at that. Oh boy. that is an antique on.
Yep.
Oh look, 2-week auto recorder.
that's
No, that's where you program
Set
your
your
beats.
clocks and everything. Set your timer.
Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. My dad was all about this. Like, don't touch the VCR. I've got all my programs recording. And then we would touch it anyway, and then he'd go ape.
Yeah, there's not a whole lot of stuff.
No,
in the
there
back
isn't. It's
either.
quite surprising what's not
Just
on the back.
video out, audio out. Doesn't even have an RCA.
Whoa.
It's a 1/8" jack for audio.
Wow.
And then a video out, and that's
You
it.
got your plug in there for the
Yeah.
rest of your accessories. And
It's because those days nobody had video jacks. It was all just.
I was about to say,
channel 3 or 4.
I was
or whatever.
surprised when I saw a RCA on the front. Because, you got your wires here. You get your screwdriver. Oh, no, you don't even need a screwdriver. And you get your wire and wrap it around and then tighten it. That would be your
And
antenna.
these were the regular coax and stuff.
Yeah, because this was the new technology.
Right, that was
This
the new
was the
thing.
old way. And then you
Yep.
had this and then became this. Wow,
Yep.
that is amazing. God, I mean,
Yeah,
that thing must
it's
weigh
still
like,
works.
what do you reckon? 60,
Probably about 50,
50, 60 pounds?
It's all steel inside, virtually no plastic.
Really?
Yeah.
Man, look at that. Hold
Yeah,
on.
all steel.
Yes,
There's
all
like I
metal.
said, there's all metal inside. There's virtually,
Yeah.
the case is plastic. The rest inside is all steel, aluminum, and
Wow. Did you look the model number up and look at the year?
no.
But it is, I mean, this
Probably
is,
80s. Yeah, from
I would
about
say late 70s.
79
Yeah.
to about 81 or 2 probably. Is when they
Basically,
came
you
out.
can just weigh it and tell the
It's
year.
you're about to believe.
But I'm loving this. This
But it
here.
all works. Yeah, actually everything works. It's got a beautiful picture.
Wow.
All the mechanics work in it now. It's
This is what I should be looking for. These things versus the newer 1993 models where they're all crap.
Yep. Yeah,
Oh, my
it's
God.
actually amazing it works like it does.
That is a work of art right there, isn't it?
Yeah.
And that is quality.
You got your
zenith.
tracking controls down here, the old tracking controls.
Yeah. Yeah, look.
And then down there is some more jacks, say, video in or
okay.
something like that from the front. Because once you put in a
You got your
cabinet,
remote
you didn't
control.
wanna- Yeah, you
Old
had a
school,
wire,
yeah,
remote
with a
control.
wire. You get your 6-foot cable.
And then that plug for the accessory or whatever it was, I think that was for the camera to plug into, so you could transfer tapes from the cameras they made.
Look at that. That
Pretty
is-
crazy.
Yeah. All right. Enjoy.